In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rock in BandLab. First, open your browser and head to BandLab. On the homepage, click Login. On the sign-in screen, choose the option to continue with Google. Select your Google account, then click Continue to confirm. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them so the login can complete smoothly. Once you're in, you'll land on your feed. Navigate to the library at the top. Open the project you want to work on. If you don't have one yet, you can start a fresh project from the library and then return to these steps. Inside your project page, enter Studio. This opens the main workspace where you'll arrange tracks and build your song. In the studio, click Add Track. A panel of track types appears. Choose Drum Machine. This is perfect for building a solid rock foundation with punchy kicks, cracking snares, and driving cymbals. Next, choose a starting point. You'll see a list of kits and their pads. A kit is a set of drum sounds mapped to the 16 pads. Think of each pad as a different drum, like kick, snare, hi-hat, tom, or crash. Use the search or categories and look for rock. Load a rock kit so your sounds fit the genre right out of the gate. If you're new to this view, the grid represents time from left to right, and each row is an instrument. Clicking a square places a hit at that spot in the pattern. Now use the pads in the step grid to create your beat. Start with a basic kick on the first and third beats, add a snare on the second and fourth, then pepper in hi-hats for momentum. You can audition sounds by tapping the pads, then paint them into the grid. If you want a quick foundation or inspiration, switch to the pre-made patterns labeled A and B. They're great starting points. Toggle between them, tweak the placements, and adjust velocity to dial in feel. For a tight rock groove, keep the kick and snare consistent and let cymbals add energy. When your beat feels right, click and drag the Add button from the drum machine to the arrangement timeline. Drop it exactly where you want the pattern to play in your song. This creates a region on your track. You can extend the region to loop it, duplicate it for new sections, or place variations for verses and choruses. Keep an ear on tempo. Many rock grooves live between medium and fast tempos, so adjust the project tempo if needed. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, built a rock drum pattern, and placed it into your arrangement in BandLab. Save your work and build the rest of your track around that solid beat.